This cake looks delicious, but...
Wait. You said it looks delicious, so eat it.
No, it looks good, but it seems like something is wrong.
What? Looks? Seems? Are not they the same thing?
No, they are different, and this is exactly why we need today's lesson.
I have been using these words interchangeably my whole life.
I know, most English learners mix them up.
Okay, explain to me right now. What is the difference?
Are you sure you want to know? It might blow your mind.
Emily, stop teasing. Just tell me.
To the camera, hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to Daily English Talks.
Waving. Still confused, but hopefully not for long.
Today we are solving a huge English mystery, seems versus looks.
These two words confuse everyone, native speakers and learners.
To the camera, if you have ever wondered, should I say looks or seems, this video is for you.
And we will explain it in super simple English so everyone can understand.
Before we start, please like this video right now.
Pointing, and subscribe to Daily English Talks for daily English lessons.
Reminding, do not forget the bell icon so you never miss our videos.
Okay. Now please explain. I need to know.
All right, let me explain the difference. Okay, let us start with looks. This one is easier.
I am ready. Tell me everything.
Looks is about what you see with your eyes, visual appearance.
So, if I see something, I use looks.
Exactly. Looks equals what something appears to be based on seeing it.
So like, that pizza looks delicious.
Perfect. You can see the pizza and it appears delicious.
Oh, the weather looks nice today.
Yes, you can see the blue sky and sunshine.
You look tired.
Hey, do I really look tired?
A little bit. Your eyes are small and you are yawning.
Okay, fair. I did not sleep well last night.
But see, I used looks correctly. I can see that you are tired.
Exactly. Looks is based on visual evidence.
So I can use looks for people, food, weather, clothes.
Yes, anything you can see with your eyes.
Practicing. That shirt looks nice. The movie looks boring. She looks happy.
Perfect. You understand looks.
Okay, that was not so hard. Now tell me about seems.
Okay, seems is a little trickier.
Oh no. How tricky?
Seems is about your feeling, your sense, your impression.
Feeling? Not seeing.
Right. Seems is based on information, behavior, or your gut feeling.
I do not understand. Give me an example.
Okay, look at me. Do I look happy?
Yes. You are smiling. You look happy.
Yes. But what if I told you my cat is sick?
Oh no. Is your cat okay?
Now, knowing that information, how do you think I feel?
Oh. You seem sad even though you look happy on the outside.
Yes, exactly. You got it.
Wow. So seems is about more than just appearance.
Yes. Seems includes feelings, context, behavior, information.
So I can look happy, but seem sad.
Yes, your face looks happy, but your situation seems sad.
Or someone looks calm, but seems nervous?
Perfect example. Maybe they are hiding their nervousness.
This is so interesting. Looks and seems can be different.
Very different. And that causes the confusion.
Give me more examples. I want to really understand.
Okay, let me tell you a funny story.
Yes, I love stories.
Last week, my neighbor bought a new, expensive car.
Okay, a new car. Cool.
The car looks amazing. Shiny, new, beautiful.
So you used looks because you can see the car.
Exactly. But here is the thing.
What? What happened?
The car seems to have problems. It breaks down every other day.
Oh no. So it looks great, but it seems unreliable.
Yes, you understand perfectly.
Oh, poor neighbor. Beautiful car that does not work.
I know, he is so frustrated.
Okay, let me try one. Yesterday, I went to a new restaurant.
Okay, tell me.
The restaurant looked very fancy. Nice decorations, beautiful plates.
Good, you used looks for what you saw.
But the food seemed old. The smell was strange.
Impressive. The food looked fine, but seemed bad based on the smell.
I'm getting this.
You really are. One more example?
Yes, more practice.
Okay, imagine a job interview. The interviewer looks friendly,
Okay, smiling, welcoming.
but the questions seem very difficult.
Ah, so the person looks nice, but the situation seems hard.
Exactly. You completely understand now. Okay, now let us talk about grammar structure.
Yes. How do I use them in sentences?
Looks is followed by an adjective. Looks plus adjective.
Like, she looks happy?
Yes, happy is an adjective. He looks tired. It looks expensive.
The cake looks delicious. You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You look handsome too.
Okay, back to the lesson.
Sorry, you made me blush.
What about seems? Same structure?
Seems can be followed by an adjective or by like plus noun.
Wait, two ways?
Yes, she seems happy, adjective. Or she seems like a nice person, like plus noun.
It seems difficult, or it seems like a problem.
Perfect. Yes, both are correct.
He seems tired, or he seems like he is tired.
Exactly right.
So, seems is more flexible.
Yes, you have more options with seems.
What mistakes do people usually make with these words?
Oh, so many mistakes. Let me tell you the biggest ones.
I am listening. I do not want to make mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Using looks when you cannot actually see.
Like what?
Like saying the plan looks good when you only heard about the plan.
Oh, because you did not see the plan, you should say the plan seems good.
Exactly. Seems is better when it is based on information, not vision.
What is mistake number 2?
Using seems for purely visual things.
What do you mean?
Like saying, your shirt seems blue. That is wrong.
Because I can see the shirt, so it looks blue.
Exactly. Use looks for colors, sizes, visual appearance.
And the car looks red, not the car seems red.
Perfect. You understand.
I have been making these mistakes for years.
Do not worry. Now you know. Now, let us practice with questions.
Questions? How do questions work?
You can ask, how does it look? Or how does it seem?
What is the difference?
If I ask, how does the food look? What are you answering about?
The appearance? The visual?
Yes, you will answer, it looks delicious or it looks terrible.
And if you ask, how does the food seem?
Then I am asking about quality, taste, overall impression.
It seems fresh or it seems old.
Perfect. You completely understand.
How does she look? About appearance.
Yes, she looks tired. She looks great.
How does she seem? About her mood or behavior.
Yes, she seems upset. She seems excited.
I love this. It is making so much sense now.
Okay, now the tricky part.
Uh-oh. What is tricky?
Sometimes both words can work, but with slightly different meanings.
What? Both work? How?
Okay, look at this sentence. He looks angry.
Okay, I can see his angry face.
And he seems angry.
Based on his behavior or words?
Yes, both are correct, but slightly different.
So which one should I use?
It depends. Are you focusing on his face? Use looks.
And if I'm judging from his actions or tone?
Use seems.
Wow, this is subtle.
Very subtle. Even native speakers do not always think about it.
What about the test looks hard versus the test seems hard?
Good question. If you see the test and there are many questions, you say looks.
And seems?
If you heard about the test or tried a few questions, you say seems.
So what is visual, what is based on information?
Exactly. You got it.
Let us practice. Give me situations.
Okay. Situation 1. You see a person yawning.
He looks tired because I can see him yawning.
Perfect. Situation 2. Your friend is not answering your messages.
He seems busy because I am judging from her behavior.
Excellent. Situation 3. You see dark clouds in the sky.
It looks like rain. I can see the clouds.
Yes. Situation 4. The movie has bad reviews.
It seems boring based on the reviews, not visual.
You are doing amazing.
I am actually understanding this.
Okay, last one. You taste soup and it has no flavor.
It seems bland because I tasted it, not just looked.
Exactly, perfect. You could also say it looks watery if you are talking about appearance.
So you can describe the same thing differently.
Yes, depending on what aspect you're focusing on.
Want a quick trick to remember the difference?
Yes, please give me a trick.
Okay, remember this. Looks equals eyes.
Looks for what I see with my eyes.
And seems equals brain.
Seems for what I think or sense with my brain.
Yes, eyes versus brain.
So if I use my eyes, I say looks.
Right, and if I use my brain to judge, I say seems.
That is so easy to remember.
Another trick, looks is more immediate, seems is more thoughtful.
So looks is quick judgment from seeing.
Yes, and seems is deeper thinking.
Everyone, remember, looks equals eyes, seems equals brain.
That is the easiest way to remember. Okay, let us do final practice. I will say a sentence, you tell me if it is correct.
Okay, test me.
The cake seems delicious. Correct or wrong?
Wrong. Should be looks delicious because we see the cake.
Perfect. Next, the job seems interesting based on the description.
Correct. Seems because it is based on information.
You look like you are upset.
Correct. Look because I can see your face. Last one. The plan looks good.
This is tricky. If you saw the written plan, looks is okay. If you only heard about it, should be seems.
Wow, you really understand now.
I do. This lesson was so helpful. So everyone, remember the difference.
Looks for what you see with your eyes.
Seems for what you sense, feel, or judge based on information.
Practice using both words correctly.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video.
And subscribe to Daily English Talks for more helpful lessons.
Click the bell icon so you never miss our videos.
Comment below. Tell us, do you understand the difference now?
Or write a sentence using looks and seems.
We will read all your comments.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Remember, looks equals eyes. Seems equals brain. Bye.